6. Right, today we want to discuss about angles. So the topic for today is angles in a triangle. What is angles in a triangle? It's angles in a triangle. In a triangles. So there is a hint here. These are the key points to remember when you are talking about angles. What is an acute angle? Acute angles, these are angles between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. So all angles which are in between 0 to 90 degrees, they are called acute. 0, 1, 2, up to 8 and 9. But when you reach at 90 degrees, we now say 90 degrees is now a right angled angle. It's now a right angled angle. So 89, 88 and going below up to 0, they are all called acute angles. Now, in obtuse angles, these are angles between 90, that is starting from 91 to 180. All those angles which are in between, they are called obtuse angles. So these angles, you must know them. If you are given a list of angles, you must be able to pick acute angles. You must be able to select obtuse angles. So in this, I have attached a document whereby you are going to see the document. You will see there is a picture of angles there. So from that one, what I want you to do is, I want you to take your protractor, you measure the angles. After measuring the angles, you add them all. After adding, you will see the results. And these results, let me explain. These results, we have this hint again about the results which you are going to obtain. Sum of angles in a triangle, they add up to 180. So they say sum. Sum means addition. So it means if you add all the three angles in a triangle, the answer you must get is 180 degrees. So what I want you to do is, you are going to add all the angles which you are going to measure from the attached document which I have attached. So you add all the angles. After adding them, you get your answer. So when adding these angles, you must remember this hint, that the sum of angles in a triangle, they add up to 180. Now let's say you have added, and you, after adding your angles, then you get less than 80. It means you made a mistake somewhere. Go and re-measure again. Let's say again you measured your angles, then you obtain more than 180, 185, more than that. So it means you have made a mistake again. Re-measure your angles. All the angles which you are going to measure, if you add all the angles, you are going to get 180. If you add them and obtain 180 exactly perfectly, it means you have done the correct thing. You are now able to measure any given angle using a protractor. So that is the exercise. Try to measure all the angles there. Then after that, you write down the angles, then you add them together and check whether you are going to obtain 180. How do you check? Checking by addition. You add all the three angles, then you must find 180. Failure to find 180, it means you made a mistake somewhere. Check, re-measure your angles. Thank you very much.